Hello everyone, this is me Muhammad Umar, a rescuer from Mysore. Check this video out. It's a great reminder that snakes can be anywhere.
ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದೆ ಈಗ ಈ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ
ಕಡ್ಡಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದೆ ಅದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಐಸ್
ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇದೆಯಾ
ಐಸ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್
ಐಸಾ
ಐಸ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಕೋಬ್ರಾ
ಕೋಬ್ರಾ
ಅಲ್ಲೇ
ಕೋಬ್ರಾ ನಾಗರ
ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೋಬ್ರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಕೋಬ್ರಾ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಕಲ್ ನಾಗರಾವ್ ಅದು ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ನೀನೇನಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತದು
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ಕೂತಿದ್ ಕಡ್ಡಿ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಿಂದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅದಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಚೆ ಬರೋಕ್ ನೋಡ್ತು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು
So we have a cobra here underneath the TV stand. So as the boy said, the snake came from the door side and entered below the staircase. Okay, here. There it is.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬಾಗ್ಲು ಓಪನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೀದಾ ಬಂದು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋ ತನಕ ಅದ್ ಯಾರೋ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ನೋಡ್ದಂಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದು ರೂಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು?
ಹೌದು, ಅದೇ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಭಯ ಆಗಿದ್ದು.
So as you saw in the video, the snake was right below the TV stand, and the boy there saw the snake coming right from the main door and going below the TV stand. So if in case the snake would have gone into the TV stand or the room next to the main door and nobody had noticed, then the situation would have been anything, like they would have been step on the snake and the situation would have gone worse. So always be vigilant and careful when you are in a place where you might feel that the snakes are moving around the places, and where you are seeing regularly, as the people said, they see many snakes in and around the place. So in that situation you have to be more vigilant and careful and close the door when there is no use of the main door. We have to be more careful than the snake. So let's release the snake.
There it is, impatiently waiting to get out of the bottle. So there you go, boy.
So that's it for today, guys. And if you guys like the video, like the content, then do follow me and share it with your friends and family, and put your thoughts in the comment section and let me know if you have come across such a situation in your places. Then put it in the comment section. Until then,